Welcome to all. Today we are discussing about the topic permutations and combinations. From the chapter permutations and combinations, maximum we will guess 3 marks, sorry 2 marks for 2 questions. Okay. Now the question is, if NP7 equals 42, NP5 equals to 3:5, then n equals to what in this? Simply NP7 equals to n factorial by n minus 7 factorial. Okay. Then 42 into n factorial by n minus 5 factorial. Okay. Let us do simplification like this. N minus 5 factorial equals to 42 into n minus 7 factorial. Then now we have to delete the factorial. How to get that one? By converting to the least. N minus 5 in n minus 5 and n minus 7, n minus 7 is the least factorial. So convert the n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorials. N minus 5, n minus 6, n minus 7 whole factorial equals to 42 into n minus 7 factorial. Both are cancelled. Then n minus 5 into n minus 6. Okay. Shall I write 7 into 6? Now comparing on both sides. These are consecutive. Yes or no? 6, 7, n minus 6, n minus 5. These are consecutive. Comparing on both sides, they will get n minus 5 equals to 7 or also n minus 6 equals to 6. Then n equals to what? 12. Okay. Now our option is fourth one. Okay. Next, second one. The value of sigma r equals to 1 to 10 r into p of r comma r is in this what? P of n comma r is what? NPR actually. Yes or no? So here we have summation r equals to 1 to 10, then r into p of r comma r is nothing but rpr. Yes or no? P of r comma r is nothing but rpr, then that equals to r factorial. Yes. Now it is the r factorial. It is also r. Then sigma r equals to 1 to 10. Shall I write like this? R into r factorial is nothing but r plus 1. Sorry. Shall I write r as a r plus 1 minus 1 into r factorial? Then summation r equals to 1 to 10. Now it is nothing but r minus 1 into r factorial should be r plus 1. Now next step. In next step, summation r equals to 1 to 10. R plus 1 into r factorial is a r plus 1 whole factorial minus r factorial is as it is. Then in the place of r equals to 1 to 10 substitute. Now this one becomes as, first of all, now in decreasing order, suppose r equals to 10, that is a 11 factorial minus it is a 10 factorial, and the second term is a 10 factorial minus 9 factorial. Similarly, so on, the last one is what? In the place of 1 equals to r equals to 1, then that is a 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. So now observe here. Now second one in next one, first one of second one cancelled. Yes or no? Like this, all r should be cancelled. Now remaining is a 11 factorial minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now which option? 11 factorial is nothing but p of 11 comma 1. So 1 factorial it is a 1. So second one is our right option. Problem is, the letters of the given word are arranged in as in a dictionary order. Then the rank of the given word is. Okay. Now 2 words are given here. Now we have to find the ranks of corona and vaccine. Okay. So first of all, corona. Now observe here, I can apply some strategy in shortcut way. Now suppose the word is a corona, okay, is given. Now the letters of the word in dictionary order. First one, A is the first one. Now second one, C is the second one. Okay, and next after A and C, then what? Now N is the third one and O is the fourth place. Yes or no? Okay, and R is last one. 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now observe here. Now the rank of the corona. For rank of the corona, we can take in factorials. That the first under C, before how many letters are there? Under C we have, under 2 we have how many? Under 2. Under 2 means less than 2. Less than 2 we have only one. Yes or no? Less than 2 we have only one. So less than 2, 1. Okay, it's over. Okay, it's cancelled. Next, less than 4, how many are there? Less than 4, not equals to 4. Less than 4, we have 2, 1 and 3. Yes or no? We have 2. Less than 5, now these are not included. Remember, these are cancelled already. Now less than 5, we have 3 are there. Okay, 3. Less than 4, we have 2. Less than 3 we have 1. Less than 1 it should be 0. Okay. Now we can applying the factorials. Observe here for this one, for all these 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. Okay. Now these are the multiples. Okay, now we can multiplying all these factorials. But at the before we can observe here. Now O is the repeated. Okay. Now under C we have 2 O's. Yes or no? Under C, for C we have two O's. So that's why you can taking by 2, because of we have under C we have 2 repeated letters. So by 2. By 2 factorial. Okay. Now next, under O we have also 2. Yes or no? So here also by 2 factorial. And under R, okay, under R we have only one. No need to take like that. Under O, okay, there is no one. Under N, under A, okay, under C we have 2. Under O we have 2. Under R, no one. Under O, no one. Under N, no one. Under A, no one. Okay. Now we can adding all these after multiplying to each other. Okay. Let 1 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial plus 2 into 4 factorial by 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 1 into 1 factorial plus 0 into 0 factorial. Okay, sorry, here no need to take multiplication, just plus 0 factorial, remember. Okay, just here it is a 0, but it is not a multiple. Okay, let 0 factorial is common. Now here not taking the multiple of 0 factorial, remember. Then 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 120 by 2, 120 by 2, then that is a 60 plus 24 by 2, 12 into 2, 24, okay, plus 3 into 6, 18, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1 into 1 factorial, 1 plus 1, okay. Now total 1 plus 1, 2, 6, 10, 18, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10. Okay. Now rank of the corona is a 108, that is the third option. I hope you can understand, and also see one more. Okay. Now observe here, vaccine, vaccine. Okay. Now in the dictionary order, first one 1. Okay. Now next 2 and 3 and 4, next to 5 and 6. Okay. Now it is in the dictionary order, the places, first place, second and third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay. Now we need what? Less than 6. How many are there? Less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Less than 1, 0. Less than 2, less than 2 only, not equals to. Less than 2, don't have 0. Less than 2, 0. Less than 4, 1. Less than 5, 1. Less than 3, 0. Okay. Now 0 factorial here. Zero factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial and 5 factorial. Observe here. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, order is wrong. 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. Okay. Now observe, any repeated letters are there. Under V we have 2. These are the repeated, yes or no? 2. So by 2 factorial. Under A also we have 2. Under C also we have 2. Okay. Under C no 1, so 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now we can multiplying. Let 6 into 6 factorial by 2 factorial. Let is a 0. Now it one also 0. Now it one also 0. Now it is a 1 into 2 factorial plus 1 into 1 factorial plus 0 factorial. Don't multiply here. Don't multiply here. Okay. Now 6 into 6 factorial means 720 by 2. 2 3s are plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Now 3 into 0 3. Sorry 0. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 7 21 plus 4. 2164. Okay. Now our option is first one. Okay. I hope you can understand this simple method. Okay. Now the problem is the number of ways of permuting the letters of the word devil so that neither D is the first letter nor L is the last letter is. In how many ways we can permuting the word devil? Devil is a 5-letter word, yes or no? So 5 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Okay. All are different, distinct letters. So 120 words are there. Now in which how many are beginning with D and how many ending with L and also D and begin with D and end with L. That we can observe. How many are begin with D? Now it is a 5-letter word. The number of words begin with D. Put D in first one, first blank. Now remaining 4 blank can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Okay. Now 24 words are begin with D. Similarly 24 words are end with L. Yes or no? 4 blanks can be filled by remaining 4 letters. 4 letters. So these are 24. Okay. Now how many are begin with D and end with L? 3 blanks by filled by 3 letters in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. So that is a 6. Okay. So now here we can removing the 24 and 24 total all these 48 because of 48 24 and 24. 48 words are begin with D and L. Okay. Now here we have 2, 11 minus 4. Okay. Now remaining this one. D, the number of words begin with D and the number of words begin with L, total 6 are included in these 24. Yes or no? Because of the number of words begin with D. Maybe these are end with L. The number of end with L, maybe some words are begin with D. So now these are repeated 2 times. So that's why we can adding 1 time here. Okay. Now that is a 78. Our option is 4th one. Okay. Next. 20 persons are invited for a party. The different number of ways in which they can be sit at a circular table. Like this. Circular table. With 2 particular persons seated on either side of the host. 2 particular persons seated on either side of the host, like this. Suppose host. Now 2 particular persons, 2 persons are there. Remaining how many persons? 18 persons are outside. Okay. Now 1 unit of 2 persons with host. Yes sir. And remaining 18, total 19 units can be arranged in a circular. Okay, can be arranged in a circular table in how many ways? 18 factorial ways. Okay. Now after that, these 2 particular can be seated in 2 factorial ways among themselves. Yes or no? Maybe these are changed to himself, themselves. Yes or no? So the host cannot be changed. Yes or no? So that's why only 2 persons can be changed among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Okay. So 18 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Our option is second one. Okay. Here if n equals to 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 7 factorial so on 400 factorial, then digit of 10 digits of 10. Okay, here if n equals 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 7 factorial plus so on 400 factorial, then tens digits of n is 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Here n equals to, here it is nothing but 1 plus 24, it is a 7 factorial, nearly 7 factorial equals to 6 factorial equals to 720. 7 factorial is a 0, 7 to the 14, 7 7 the 14 and 15. Okay, the 5040 plus so on. Okay, no need to find this plus. Now in which simply the tens of digit ends should be, you can write here 24 here. So 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Okay, now 6 tens are there. It is a shortcut way actually. We have lengthy reason here. Now in a college of 300 students, every students read 5 newspapers clearly, and every newspaper is read by 60 students. Okay, the number of newspapers is what? Every newspaper is read by 60 students. Suppose the number of newspapers equals say n, then how many newspapers are there? 60 into n. Okay, and also in college we have 300 students, 300 by each one, each students can be read 5 newspapers, so into 5. Yes or no? So 65, then n equals to 25. Now n equals to exactly 25 students are, 25 newspapers are there. The number of newspapers equals to n, exactly 25. Okay. Now the problem is exponent of 3 in 100 factorial is 24 and 48, 56, 72. Okay. Now here we can applying the formula like this. 100 by, which are 100 by 3 plus 100 by 3 square plus 100 by 3 cube plus 100 by 3 power 4 plus so on, plus next 100 by, enough, it's enough because of 3 power 5 is above 100. Okay. Let 100 by 3, it is nearly 33 point something, so on, like that, yes or no? So how many 3's are there? 33 3's are there maximum. Okay. Plus 100 by 3 square, simple, 33 by 3. 33 by 3 is nothing but 100 by 3 square. How many are there? 11. In 100, how many 3 cubes are there? Simply 11 by 3. 11 by 3. Okay. 11 by 3 means how many 3's are in? 11, 3. Okay. Now next one, 3 by 3. 1. The next one, 0. Okay. So on. Enough. Okay. And that equals to 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay. 48 3's are there. Okay. In 100 factorial. Second option is our right option. Okay. Now last one. The sum of 4-digit numbers formed with 2, 3, 4, 5 using each digit any number of times is. Okay. Remember here any number of times. Actually in IPE just we can doing this type of problems in when repetition is not allowed, but here allowed. So the sum of the digits is common. Here 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And also here we can forming 4-digit numbers. So 4 ones are also common. Okay. But here into 4 power 3 is new one. Okay. Sir, why? Because here 4 power 3. Suppose we can forming 4-digit numbers by using 4. The first place can be filled with 2. In how many ways? 3 blanks can be filled by 4 because of repetition is allowed any number of times each digit. 4 power 3. Okay. For unit place 4 power 3. For unit place 4 power 3. For 10 place 4 power 3. For 100 place 4 power 3. For 1000 place also 4 power 3. So 4 power 3 into 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. Sum of the digits into 4 power 3. Okay. Into 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now that's one. 5 plus 5, 10, 14. 14 into 64 into 1, 1, 1 is our option. No need to take the simplification because of the options are also like that. Okay. Which one? Second one is our right option. Okay. I hope you can understand these all different methods. Okay. Please like my video and also share with your friends. Okay. Please comment on comment box. Thank you so much.